So, the boiler has been completely disconnected, and it's ready to be hauled on out of here. The space is cleared. Wet return has been dealt with. Cracked off this fitting here. This is a run out to a radiator. We've cracked off this head banger. This is counterflow till it gets to the other fittings out there. And this monstrosity is counterflow to that T, which is not too bad. So it goes flowing back this way, so this has a puddle of water in it. And they got this dresser coupling here, which what we're going to probably be doing is cutting here and threading in place, probably with a 65R, and then start back from here and get rid of this and tie it back on to that. So as for that fitting winds up, you can see that it's been replaced with copper at some point. At least it's pitching in the right direction. These are all the takeoffs, and there's our vent that we added a while ago. There's the drip there. And at the other end, somebody has replaced the main with a new piece of steel. It had a little tiny pitiful vent on there, which we removed, and then we added that there. So we're all set for the new boiler tomorrow, delivery, and I'll see you then.